everyone, welcome to my channel again. Thanks for joining me tonight. It's me once again, Cherry Mark. I am here to shoot another video about learning Kikuyu. We are going to go down and continue learning about Kikuyu basics that we need, especially in this festive season. And there are some few words that we are likely to use during Christmas and even during Happy New Year or New Year. And this is what I have prepared for you, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. I will highly appreciate your support. I will even highly appreciate if you take your time, click one of my videos, whichever you feel, whichever you like, which is of your taste. Click my video, sit down back there at home, take a cup of tea, watch my videos. Not only do you watch my videos, but you learn something. This is the place to be. This is where you learn, and you don't leave this channel empty-handed. You leave this channel smarter. Now, make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you have your notification bell on so that you can every time be notified whenever I upload a video. Now, without wasting much time, let's go to learning. Brains at work. Now, the first word we are going to use today, and especially in this festive season, is December. December is called Ditheba. 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 That's how we call December. That's December. Ditheba. Ditheba. Now, the next word we're going to learn today is, for example, like when you want to say holidays. Holidays are called Vigoko. 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 That's how we call holidays. Vigoko. 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 Now, for example, you want to say December holiday. Vigoko shia December. Vigoko shia December. Vigoko. Vigoko shia December. Vigoko shia December. Those are December holidays. Now, the other thing we're going to learn today is, for example, if you want to say greetings. Greetings. Now, we especially use Christmas greetings, New Year greetings, holiday greetings, whichever you like, whatever you would like to use. Greetings are called gevi, gevi, greetings. That's how we call greetings. Gevi. Let's say, for example, you want to say holiday greetings. Holiday greetings. Now, this is how you say gevi shadhigoko. Gevi shia vi go ko. Gevi shia vi go ko. Holiday greetings. Holiday greetings. Gevi shia vigoko. Holiday greetings. Now, I'm going to go to something different. Another word that we mostly use on this festive season. And that is Xmas, Christmas, or I don't know how you call Christmas in your language. The common language or the common word used is Xmas, Christmas. Now, Christmas is called Kiridimadi. Kiridimadi. That's Xmas. Christmas or Xmas. That's Xmas. Kiridimadi. Now, for example, you want to say Merry Christmas, everybody, or Merry Christmas to you, Merry Christmas to your family. In general, let's say you want to say Merry Christmas. Now, this is how you say it. Mukoro na vigoko jega. Or you can even say Kiridimadi jega. Kiridimadi jega. Kiridimadi, which is Xmas, jega, which is Merry Xmas. Merry Xmas. Kiridimadi jega. Or you can even use Vigoko, which means holiday or something to celebrate, or even a festive season. Vigoko, you have to put another U. Vigoko jega. 제가 we go call 제가. That's Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We go call 제가 Merry Xmas. We go call 제가. Now, let's say you want to mention something like a present. A present, you know, in the Christmas season mostly we have presents, we gift everybody, you know, gifting is very common during Xmas season. Now a gift is called keheo. Keheo. That's a gift. That's a gift. Keheo. Now, another word we use very often during Christmas is like Happy New Year. Happy New Year. This is how we say it. Mwaka mwero. Mwaka mwero. Well, mwaka means year. That's the year. Mwero is Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Mwaka mwero. Let's say, for example, you want to say or to tell somebody, may you have a happy new year. May you have a happy new year. Or even you want to wish somebody, or you want to even wish me a happy new year. Now, you can tell me, or you can even tell somebody out there, ugie na mwaka mwero. Ugie na mwaka mwero. Ugie na mwaka mwero. May have a happy new year. Have a happy new year. Ugie na mwaka mwero. Ugie have a happy new year. Ugie have a happy new year. Or even you can tell somebody, may you have a happy new year. May you have a happy, or I wish you a happy new year. Let's say, for example, if you tell somebody, I'm wishing you a happy new year. Nedera kwedera ne dera kwedera de ra kwe de ra ne dera kwedera mwaka mwero. Nedira kwedera nedira ne. I'm wishing you a happy new year. Nedira kwedera mwaka mwero. I'm wishing you a happy new year. I'm wishing you nedera kwedera. I'm wishing you. Dera kwedera is wishing you a happy new year. Mwaka mwero. Mwaka means year. Mwero is new. Mwaka means year. Mwero means new. Mwaka is year. Mwero means new. Happy means gekeno. You can see I'm wishing you a happy new year. In other words, nedera kwedera mwaka mwero wena gekeno. Nedera kwedera mwaka mwero wena gekeno. Now, happy new year. Let's see. For example, happy new year. Happy new year. I'm going to go word by word so that you can learn. Happy means gekeno. Gekeno. That is happy. Mwaka or new. Sorry. New means mwero. Now, year means mwaka. Happy means gekeno. New mwero. Year mwaka. Mwaka mwero wena gekeno. A happy new year, full of laughter, full of joy. Happy new year, gekeno. Mwaka wena gekeno. Now, it's getting a bit complex. But the most important thing here is to learn the basics. The basics are what we learn and put emphasis in this video. Now, I don't know if there is another word that I've left behind, but I think those are the basics. Those are the words that we use mostly during this festive season. Well, I'm reminded about one word. Another word that we use very often in this festive season is family. Family. Family is called family. Family. That's family. Because in this festive season, most of the people come together to make a family, or most families come together. Now, family, 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 family. Now, the other word we use mostly is visit. Let's say a visit. Visit is called wushera. 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 Wushera is called visit. Visit. Wushera. Let's say, for example, you're going to visit your grandma. You see, wushera. Wushera. Kweshoshu. Shoshu. Visit to grandma. Goshera, visit. Goshera, kweshoshu. Visit grandma. Visit grandma. Yeah, I'm going to end this video right here, with the hope that you are able to learn 1 or 2, 3 things from me. Another time, I'm going to come up with something different, or even teach you other words that are even used in this festive season. For today, we're going to end everything down here. I hope you are able to learn everything, and if not everything, you still have time to learn everything that I had down here. It is my wish that everybody out there is ready for Christmas. It's my wish that everybody out there is doing well, and even your families are perfectly fine wherever they are. I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. I'm hoping to see you another time, and even I'm hoping to give you more lesson another time. I hope before the end of the year. With those few words, it's my pleasure to wish you all a good night, a peaceful night, and we see us next time. Take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and even take care of everybody else around you. Stay safe wherever you are, and God bless you. Merry Christmas in advance. Till next time, goodbye.